Hello. The question is, should you take your retirement Social Security money at 62, 67, 70? How do you decide? Well, if you take the money at 62, you get less money than if you take it at 67, for example. So therefore, why don't I wait until 67? I will make more money then. Sure, but you will have lost 5 years of income that really is not made up until you're 78 years old for you to break even. So the first easy answer is, if you think you're gonna live past 78, then you should wait until you're 67 years old to take the money. But one important factor is that we assume that we just collect the money and hold it. One thing you need to realize, and this is a power of discounting in finance, is if you take that money at 62 and you invest it, and the higher return you get on that money, the more that 78 drops and drops and drops and drops. So if you take the money at 62 years old and you invest and you get 10-15%, then that 78 years old break even is going to drop and drop and drop and drop. Therefore, it depends on two things. One, how long you're going to live. If you're going to live not past 67, then you take the money at 62. It also depends on where you're going to invest the money and how much of a return you're going to get. Keep that in mind the next time you think about, should I take the money at 62 or should I wait until 67? Usually at 62, you're going to get about $2,400. If you wait another 5 years, you probably get close to another $1,000, depending how much you contributed. Think about that going forward.